Good morning, good morning. All right. Let's continue with our report. But before I go starting creating a report, I want to see something here. Let's oops, that's not what I want. I want SQL Server. What I want to do, I want to check my numbers. We're going to do a report on the lottery numbers. All right, so yeah, let's see the lottery number. Lottery pool. We're gonna. I don't think I have the latest number, so from lottery draw about order by in descending order. I want to see the latest one I have. It's outdated. Wow, it's way, yeah, it goes way back to to July 1st. I've been gone that long. All right, so we're gonna update these numbers. I'm gonna go to North Carolina lottery website. Oops. I am interested in the numbers. All right, so let's go to let's go to Powerball, and in the past draw right here on the bottom here, I see the CSV file, so we're gonna download from there, save. Excuse me. I'm gonna save that into my lottery pool app here, and we're gonna keep that right there. Actually, you know what, let's change that name to underscore. How about yeah, how about 11? What is today? 10 2024. That way I know which day I downloaded. So let's go to Mega Million. Past draw. Save as. We're gonna update the number. Let's go to 11/10/2024, and then let's go to Lucky for Life. Down here, CSV, save as. All right, last one, which is cast 5. Let's go to save. All right, so that's good. I'm gonna close that down. We need to modify the file just a bit before we start importing into the our database. So these are, let me see, let me do a modify. Oh yeah, modify by date. Let's do the Powerball first. Open it up. I'm interested in anything after July 1st, so I'm going to grab right about 29 here. Yep, I'm going to grab right about 29 here. Excuse me. So we're going to go way up there. I'm going to grab that guy like so. Copy. And then let's open a new blank one without making any changes to the first. That looks good. There you go. I'm going to add 2 more columns for identity. Insert, and then let's save as. Theme folder. I'm going to select what's the power there, that guy. I want to save with the same name, except this is going to be in Excel. Alright, so save. Oh, darn. Nope. It's wrong one. So let's change this name. I think that was different. So I'm going to do 11, 10, 20, 24. Oh, you know what? I'm going to change that name. See this? Yeah. So that's good. That's good. No, that's good. NC. Okay, that's good. That's good. So I'm going to close that out. Close that without that. Now we're going to do make a million. That one. CSV. Similar situation here. Alright, so I'm going to go to right about 628 and copy. Actually, I'm going to jump right there, there, and then save. This is Mega Million. I'm going to make sure that's Mega Million. Yep. So again, I'm going to check this guy, change the name right here. 1, 11, 10, 20, 24. That's good. Let's close that down. We got 2 more to go. 2 more to go. And this one is Lucky for Life. Right there. I'm gonna scoot down to look at the date first here. Scoot down all the way to somewhere in the end of yeah, it doesn't have to be precise because my program knows if the numbers already exist, it would not import. Alright, so that's the program I set up. Copy, and then we're going to save as. This is Lucky for Life. Actually, you know what? Try again. That's not what I want. Let's try copy. It's supposed to be a new. There. I'm going to start with the column 3. There. Alright, so that's good. And let's continue to save as. And this one is Lucky right there. I'm going to change the name on the back here. Right there to 11, 10, 20, 24. Alright, one more. And then we'll start importing. Cache 5 right there. Let's check out the date. Make sure we don't grab the whole lot. There's a whole here, more than 1 million records in here. More than lots of records in here. So, but we're gonna start right there. About 29. 29 is good. June 29. Copy that. Put on the new sheet. Start the 3rd column. Save as. This is the cache 5. So I'm going to select cache 5 somewhere here. Yeah, and then change the name. Alright, we're done. Alright, let's open my Access program and import this guy in. See this right here? That's SQL backend. Now there's another one that I have. That's the original one. So I converted from regular access database to backend SQL Server. So open that up. Hopefully I still remember the password here. Alright, so let's log in. It says project management. Need to change that name right there. Sure. Yeah, project management. Anyways, let's do. What is it? Email. Alright, so that's good. Now you notice on this program I've done a whole lot. I can change this to different language. Currently I have 2 languages here. And then say make that as a default. Let's see if it changes. And then it's trying to change the it's trying to change to, there you go. See that's pretty nifty, isn't it? That is pretty nifty. Let's change it back, because I don't think most of you will not know this guy. So let's change it to English, and then set it back to English. All right, there you go. So let's this is where well, hold on, this is where I want to import. So if we go to North Carolina, cache 5, you see that goes back to July 1st. So I'm going to import that. This is cache 5. Make sure you point to the right one, right file. Lottery pool at cache 5 right there. So what I could do here, I could do that. Actually, I could do that. So it finished import already. You see there? Let's get back here, and it says imported draws for cache 5 successful. All right, so let's change to Lucky for Life. Lucky for Life. It's working. That's going to change to cache 5 to Lucky for Life soon, hopefully. While that's doing that, I'm gonna start creating a report here, so that we can use for our report builder. All right, so I'm going to call that draw in a join. This is going to be lottery type. T on T lottery type equals D lottery type, and then I can say I'm interested in the lottery draw date. Actually I can do that, right? So like this, T about type name, lottery type name, that's what I'm interested in, and I'm going to get everybody from the draw date. Matter of fact, no, I don't. I just want draw date. Yeah, I just want draw date, draw ball 1, ball 2, oops, 3, 4, 5, oopsie, there's something in there. Powerball, you see the Powerball, is it a multiplier? There's a multiplier there, and I want price if it exists. So let's take a look at this guy. Alright, we got cash 5, we got lucky for life, so this should be done. Lucky for life is done. Alright, so let's go to make a million. Now this shouldn't take too long. Right here, that's the valve. That's good, that's done. Alright, let's go to Powerball. Right here, that's the S. Yes, right here. This is Excel. So this should refresh. This should also refresh when it's said and done. So this is the drawback with the Access, is when you import records into backend SQL, it's real slow. But we can flip in here and take a look and see where. Then we got Powerball. Oh, okay, we're done right there. See that? That's Powerball. So there you go. That's done. That's done. There you go. That's good. All right. So that's good. So that's the calendar. Let's take a look at the calendar. Let's see the draw. Now we should have current number. There you go. That's the current number. Let's see analysis. I like the analysis too right here. You got this is pretty nifty. Look at that. So based on these numbers, these are the 19 unique numbers. This is what is predicted. This is auto-generated numbers. Auto pick, quick pick. All right. And then you can select this guy. All right. Oh, you got to create a ticket first. Create a ticket. So if you wanted to create a ticket from here, you can do that, or you can create a ticket from here, For instance, these are the tickets. This is the summary. Here's a pool. Okay, all right. So that's what we are going to be base our report on this database. All right. So let's get rid of that. Now that we've got all the numbers, let's do this. All right. All right. Let's start creating our report builder. Let's open up the report builder right there. going to be put here. Add the source. We're going to call this lottery pool. Yes. Let's check out the connection. So that's good. Let's save that. Let's add a dataset. We're going to be doing the number. So let's call this lottery number record source. And I'm going to jump back here. This is what I'm interested in. So we're going to copy that. Hop back in here and put that guy in. Oh yeah, use the dataset right there. My bad. There. That looks good. Let's query. These are what we're going to be displaying. Now it adds the parameters. Today I'm not going to show you the parameters. In the next report, I'm going to show you the parameters in the next report. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and take that parameter view out. All right, I'll go ahead and expand this guy out. As a matter of fact, I don't even know how far I'm going to go out, but let's do that for now. We don't need this guy. As a matter of fact, I'm going to remove that page footer. Alright, so this is what we are interested in. Okay, so we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's add the table. We're going to add 10 columns. That's 1, 2, 3. I wish I could add in group. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now let's put these guys in there. Ball 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't have ball 6. I say ball 6 in there. Okay, all right, last one. Okay, so let's expand this guy out just a little bit here. That should be good right there. That looks good. That looks good. Let's do some formatting here. As a matter of fact, this guy is right here. Oops. This guy right here. I'm gonna select this guy. These guys and that one will be centered. And then I'm gonna bold this guy, and I'm gonna go ahead and type in North Carolina lottery number, and then I'm gonna, that looks good right there. Let's move this guy up right about there. And right here is the price. You know what I'm missing here? I am missing the cost, I think. Doesn't have, oh, that comes from the ticket. No, this is the number, not only. So yeah, so that right there is the currency, and it's in a million. So I'm gonna move it out just a little bit here. I think it's gonna be nice because these right here, there, and that's gonna be right aligned. That looks good. So let's take a look at this one. Well, before we do that, let's make this guy centered, and let's change that to Arial. There, that looks better. All right, let's take a look. Nice. But you see this date right here? Let's see if we can fix that date. Let's go back to design. What if we can say that's just the date, not the time? Let's see if that looks better. That looks better. All right, so that's what we have. This is good. This is good. Now you can bold this one, you can dress it out the way you want, but this looks good to me. All right, this looks good to me, and there's a lot, the 3 pages. All right, so we're gonna advance next. All right, so but let's save this, guys, before we lose it. Let's save. If you notice, I already created this one in here. All right, so I'm gonna overwrite that guy. That one has did not have the yeah, that's the old one. So I'm gonna save that guy, and in the next video I'm gonna show you how to do this one with filter. But right now I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna save. Good. All right, so let's pop out the since I did those 2 guys last time, we should see the same one in here. See if we see the same one in here. There should be 4 reports here that I created earlier. So we'll see if that still show up. Yeah. So I'm gonna remove this guy and then delete. And then let's use a new one. Alright, so we're gonna save this guy to save as. Select this guy, and we're gonna call this lottery number. There. And oops. And there it is. I don't see it. Oh, I need to refresh. Okay, let's refresh. Now the lottery number should come up here since we just saved it. There you go. So let's look at this one. Good. Very good. That's good right there. So next time in the video, I'm going to show you how to filter that one. All right. For instance, this guy right here. See how we can filter out? I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. I'm going to show you how to do that. But right now, I'm going to go back and delete this guy. I'm going to delete this guy. Alright, that was the first simple report that we did, and that's today. And the future one, I'm going to show you how to filter out the lottery type, this first column right here, and then take out this guy and just using this drop down list to filter out. Alright, stay tuned. That's all we came to do. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.